cradle. Alright guys, here we are out at Vulture's now. Full loop, 7 miles. Let's see what we got. First time being out here, supposed to be pretty good.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and smash the bell notification.
Yeah, Vulture's Knob is actually a private trail system. It was supposedly an old dump. They've turned into mountain bike trails. They have events and races out here throughout the year. So it runs on donations, so please donate at the trailhead when you come to visit, so we can keep having great places to ride like this. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got some wildlife, some deer. Deer on the trail. Tend to forget how fast you can move through the woods silently on a bicycle. There's some interesting right of the way something. I'm not gonna ride that. I was saying it's interesting how fast, or you tend to forget how fast you can move through the woods silently on a bicycle. It really spooks some wildlife sometimes. There we go. Trail's pretty well marked and wore down. I mentioned we've never been here before, so I like to know what's on the other side before I just launch over something, but this looks pretty good. Oh, that's fun. Bridge weight limit, 12 tons. I'm a little skeptical of that. Maybe 12 pounds. Oh, carries me across it. Oh, I think I just had a race here. Maysville. Lots of poison ivy out here, guys. If you guys are allergic, I would not venture off the path. I get it pretty bad, so I'm definitely going to stay out of it as much as I can. If you guys aren't aware, leaves of 3, let them be. It's a good, quick, easy indicator to tell what you got is poison ivy. Most of these green vines, little vines around here, are all poison ivy. A lot of them. Poison ivy like shade, like disturbed soils. And with this being an old dump site, now mountain bike trail, it's like the ideal habitat for poison ivy. So just beware. It's really easy when you're sweating a lot, when it's hot and humid, to let it brush against it and then touch yourself, and then you got it everywhere. If you get it really bad, if you're really allergic, just say right through here and kind of like the off season before it's all fully vegged out, or wear long pants and long sleeves, and that'll for the most part keep it off you, and then change clothes when you get to the car. But it affects everybody differently. I get it pretty bad myself, but my wife and my kids, they can walk right through it and they don't get anything. So your mileage may vary. Ooh. Alright guys, that's Vulture's knob. We hit everything except the expert lines. If you stuck with us this long, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you guys out on the trail.